Hi guys and welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be eating sparkle matter. You know that sparkle matter from Unikitty? Well, yeah, I'm going to be eating it. So I got a spoonful of sparkle matter. Now it's not sad sparkle matter, it's actually happy sparkle matter because it's like rainbowy. So let us eat this sparkle matter thing. Alright. It tastes good. Tastes like happiness and joy. Well, I hope you like this video. And actually, I don't think I'll get many views because I don't know how to edit. So yeah. Okay, goodbye.